दोस्तों, welcome to my channel Target Full on Full. So today we are going to start the class ninth history first topic, the French Revolution. So before we start the topic, we should know why should we study the French Revolution. There is a lot of incidents happens in around the world, but still in our syllabus, why French Revolution was included. First of all, French revolutions create the new ideas like liberalism, nationalism, liberty, the new ideas of democracies. That's the ideas being created by uh, French Revolution. And from the French revolutions, the three clear idea we got, that is liberty, equality, and fraternity. And number two, it is the turning point of the history where we will understood that the social and political upheaval and changes in the history. That is why we are going to study the French Revolution. So that's our starting topic, that is the French society in the late 18th century. So we have divided this topic or bifurcated this topic into four items. Number one, beginning of the revolutions. Number two, economical conditions of the France during the late 18th century. Number three, societal conditions. And number four, condition of the people. And another aspect, that is short due to the shortage of area in the board, I have not written, that is the growth of middle class. So we are going to start the first topic, the French Revolution. Don't drag the video, just to keep listen. There will be a lot of interesting things that will come to your knowledge. First, the beginning of the French Revolutions. So in my left, you can see the slide that the storming of Bastille. The storming of Bastille was firstly symbolized as the mark of the French Revolution. Storming of Bastille. Why did the Bastille was being stormed? So we will go to the previous topic before the storming of Bastille. First, on the morning, first on the morning on 14th July 1789, Paris, Paris was the capital of the France. Paris was state of alarm. Paris was state of alarm. Why? Because the king ordered troops to move into the city. So the king had ordered the troop to move into the city. So there is a rumor. What is the rumor? Rumor has been spread that they can fired upon the people. They can fired upon the people. So that is why some 7,000 people formed the People's Militia. The word to be noted, People's Militia. People's Militia, it's mean that people has formed own army. That is called People's Militia. And several hundreds of people destroy or demolish the government buildings and other things, as because of they need a arms for the revolution. So in search of arms, say they destroyed the several government buildings. And another several hundreds of people, beg your pardon, several hundreds of people moved towards the uh, eastern part of the city, which is which where the prison or fortress prison Bastille situated. They prison fortress Bastille, and after that, what happened? They released the all prisoners. Though there was a number of seven numbers of prisoners there, but people hated Bastille as because of it was the symbol of the absolute despotism. Absolute despotism, that means monarchy. So that is a Bastille being destroyed. And after the demolitions of the Bastille, the fragmented stone of the Bastille were sold in the market, and to those and sold in the market. किसके पास sold किया गया? To sold to those who wants to keep the stones as a souvenirs of the destroying of Bastille. Understood? This is the situations. This is the beginning of the French revolutions, and this incident is known as the marked as the start French Revolution. Now, let us move to our main topic. What was the economic conditions of France during the late 18th century? So, beginning understood. Points number one: Paris was an alarm mode. Number two, uh, king ordered the troop to move into the cities. Rumors. What was the rumors? Rumors that a troop could be troop could fired upon the people. So 7,000 people formed the people's militia, and they destroyed the several government buildings for the search of arms. And finally several hundreds of people destroyed the fortress prison Bastille. And how many numbers of prisoners there? Those seven, but it was the symbol of despotism. Now, let us come to the point of the economic conditions. You can see in my left, that is that slides, the economic conditions. You can write as a note also. Economic situation in 1670, sorry, 1774, Louis XVI, the Bourbon king, ascended the throne. First point. Number two. What is the point number two? That is, when the Bourbon king Louis XVI ascended throne, he was just on the age of 20, and he married to the Austrian princess Mary Antoinette. Understood? Mary Antoinette. So, upon ascending the throne, the new king find an empty treasury. Why there was an empty treasury? There are the several reasons for the empty treasury. Number one, long years of war with the England has drained the all resources of France. Number two, why? Number one, long years of war. Number two, maintaining cost. Palace Versailles. Number three, France, South America, to gain freedom against the common enemy. So these are the 3 points. Long years of war drained the all resources. Number two, maintaining cost of immense palace Versailles. France held 13 colonies in South America to gain freedom from the common enemy Britain. Number four, number four, uh, what will be the number four? The war cost 1 billion livres, which rose to the depth of more than 2 billion livres of France. Number five, the lenders who gave the state credit now began to charge 10% interest, charges 10% interest. So France had to pay the extra interest on the budget. And six, number six, uh, what will be the number six? France now obliged to increase the taxes. Obliged to increase the taxes. This was the